It's Christmas 1996 in the morning, and Belinda's getting the coffee ready. Oh, nice little icy morning outside. Oh gee, look at that. Yoo-hoo!
Get a shot of the slippers.
I'm taking a shot of the tree and the cards.
No, about the slippers.
Slippers. What's that, the slippers? Oh yes, those wonderful little slippers.
Hey, pull up. Hey, dog, get out of bed. Come on, it's Christmas morning. Let's open our packages. Come on, girl. Tara's up. Let's go. Move your butt. Out of bed. April, you can get up. It's past 8 o'clock. Tara's not out of bed. Come on. Come on. Let's go open our gifts. Come on, let's go open our gifts. Come on. Hurry, Tara. Put on your makeup. Let's go.
April, what are you doing? Come on, pup.
She even put a
Come on.
Christmas thingy in her hair.
Mm-hmm. These little goodies you got here. We've got a few gifts.
Where's April?
What's your daughter?
She's coming. Let me be able to see.
Dun, 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 dun. And she has made it
Oh,
to the inner arena.
there's more in there for you too, but.
Oh, hello, April. I see you made it in here. Hello, how you doing?
There's 2 little April gifts here too.
Hey, what are you doing, April?
Right there.
April?
behind that big box.
Hey,
They're from you.
that's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good little girl.
Yeah, all that's yours. What do you think? Is that enough? Your stocking's falling out?
Oh, yeah.
All those went to the stocking. All this was part of your stocking. It just didn't make it into the stocking. I don't know. Wait.
Here, you want to get it?
No. Get open. Look at April. She's saying, you disgusting person.
Step them up for you.
Okay.
April, here's yours. Here's April.
Can I get April again? Come here, precious. Come here.
Come on, open your gift.
Come here, April.
Don't be timid this year.
What did you get? What did you get?
Come here, sit down. Sit down, and you
Sit.
can open them.
Sit. Sit. Sit down. Go ahead. What did you get? What did you get?
Oh, boy.
What is it? What is it?
I'm running out of power. I just charged
What
it.
is it? What is it? What did you get? What did you get? Here. Here, open it.
Oh, boy.
Come
Oh,
on.
boy.
What is it? What is it?
She's really not home. She
What'd
used
you
to
get?
rip them open.
Come on. Now, there we go.
Oh, boy.
What'd you
Look,
get?
April.
What'd you
Animal
get?
cracker, your favorite cookie.
Cookies. Here, take your paw. Come on. Come on.
Look what you got, April. Crackers. Woo!
Yummy. You want one? Here. Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy.
You only have like one of them.
So leave it. What is it? What is it?
God, these are really glued in there, aren't they?
They never put these. These, April. These sealed you out.
Boy, April, they don't let you get in your cookies.
Get your cookie. Get your cookie. Look. Yummy! Look, cookies.
Okay, let's close the box because we'll be into it.
Ippy, what are you doing?
Ippy, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Let's go play with the
Watching
box.
Tara, that's what she's doing.
She wants whatever else in that box.
She thinks there's more things for her now.
Yeah, found it. Got longing.
You didn't know that one, did you?
Yeah.
She's just sitting there like a little sad sack.
No, I wrapped it good.
Yeah, I say. You got me the dolphin charm.
Didn't know that one either. Sneaky people can do things. So now you have a set with your bracelet and everything.
What? Cool.
I tried to give you a color arrangement. I can use them. I know we should take stock in the nylon company. Jeez, Tara, just take her right up there. That's why you had the little thing to match. But I didn't hem it. You gotta try it on, and I'll finish it. It just has to be him.
Cool.
I made you a different jumper.
That's nice.
It just has to be him, because I didn't want to hem it. I wanted you to try it on before I did anything, to make sure it fit, because I didn't know how much weight you lost. Do you like it? Really, honestly, truthfully, you like it?
I got this on camera.
I made it.
Jeez, do you really honestly?
I'll make you the other one. But I had bought these patterns already, Tara, in the material.
I like it.
That's Pennington wool, by the way. That is really good wool. No cheap stuff like the Stouffer. And I got you the navy blue.
Well, Tara, did you like it?
Yes,
Be
I
honest.
liked it very much.
Okay.
I still have to make her the other jumper.
I think April wants another dog bone.
You know how much you like animals. So this is your new 1996 calendar.
Oh, thank you. How did I know? Why am I not surprised to get a calendar with Aunt Cindy working a calendar?
No, but it just didn't come from where it's
Did
you.
you come
You never
from-
made it
No,
there.
don't tell her.
I love it.
The only picture, I know, but the only picture I didn't like was this stupid bear eating a fish.
Oh, that's alright. I got the jaguar, the
I
tiger,
know, the tiger and the
hand and the koala. It's all that matters.
there were some pretty ones on there.
I like it.
So that's for your rim.
I like it. Ooh, a heavy one.
It's the one like,
I like it. I finally have something to wear with my skirt.
you like that? Yeah, it's
Yes.
white. Grandma and I went
Doing April.
everywhere,
Yeah,
and
you
we
know
just
why I
happened to
couldn't
walk
find
in.
anything?
No, we just happened to walk in Boscov, and Grandma turned around and she said, "It's white."
It is white. It's beautiful. Alright, cheer up, Fresh. You got cookies.
You have to take that outside, take the window.
Cold out there.
You like it, honey?
Yes.
You always wanted one. Yeah, because we looked at them and they
They look
were
small.
tiny. I would never have bought it, but it was like, and I had to go through everything to find it. So evidently everybody was buying the same size. Oh, I'm so happy. I know how much he wanted it. It's just like the one in Express.
Yeah, it is.
That was your biggie for the Christmas season. That was a hard shop. They're from the ladies' side, okay? And you try them on. If you don't like them, we can take them back, okay?
Alright. They're nice though.
They're not a black. They're like a
Gray.
charcoal, like a gray charcoal.
Nice.
You like them?
Mm-hmm.
They're like the real fancy dresses.
Doing April.
I know, I can feel it.
Yeah. But I took a chance and bought them in the ladies. And Grammy said to take the size, the same size as your jeans were.
I want a 4 and 8.
I don't know if I took an 8 or a 10.
10. Because my white shorts were big.
8. I don't know. Grandma said take the 10 because they were pants. But you see, okay? If not, you can take them back and go, get something else.
I think she wants you to get rid of some of these pieces.
Well, let's wait a second. Because she mushes all up.
I see.
Okay, you like that?
Yeah, I was there.
Just to make sure you really like it. Now you got a business suit, a dressy suit, dress. And there's more underneath the tree.
I know. But you didn't have paper posting that. Now we hit everybody's gift.
Okay. Asking, da da da. What's under there?
Woo!
Oh
We're going to do
my.
some cooking.
What is this? Let's take a closer look.
What's on top of it? The
Oyster.
Gold. More gold.
Kitchen center.
Hold on.
Boy, the box couldn't get bigger, could it?
Oh, well, we think Grandma did a wonderful job. She did a great job wrapping.
What's that?
It's mixing bowls. Extra.
Oh, all right. Just put them right on down there.
The whole thing. It's got all these pieces. You see?
Well, I know you're gonna make use of that.
It's got a blender, a salad maker, a food processor, a dough maker, and a regular mixer.
Well, if you don't need your blender anymore, I'll take it.
The old one. Why don't? Okay. Well, no, I can still use my old one. You have one. But I want my old one. These.
See all these other gifts we got lined up here
These
for
are
everybody.
mine. Those are yours from Grandma.
Mommy's, Kara's, and mine. Okay.
Okay, back to open.
What do you got there?
My Looney Tune one.
Let me get a close up here. Who's on it?
Tweety.
Ah, Tweety boy. Mother's dreams are fulfilled.
I knew Dad would never buy it for you.
Gee, thanks. I got that on tape.
Well, you said it. It was for little kitties.
And I even got a camera to go with it.
Well, the little kitty got the little kitty a kitty watch. Now I have to go out and get her a real watch.
It came with the free camera.
What's that again?
It came with the free
Let me see.
camera.
It's a free camera.
Got 35 millimeter.
Yeah.
35 millimeter compact camera. Oh, good. Now you can take pictures of me taking pictures of you.
That's cute.
What's with little April? She's out like a light. She's all covered up in the blanket.
That's beautiful, Sarah. You should not have done that. That is so much.
Like she said, I wasn't going to do it. So she did. Good choice.
I thought so.
Okay.
Well, that's fun. Thank you, Cookie. I think we got a little case. Toothpaste.
Oh, I hold it there. Let me see what you got.
A little Bluetooth on it.
Oh, the case it comes in.
Yeah.
Oh, neato. Okay.
That's so cute.
That's a memento.
Oh, see, if I would have wrapped it up separately, I would have had an idea. But see, I did it. So I wrapped it in a big box. Something else.
Mm-hmm.
This kid is something else. I will wear it today and show it off. My very own.
And everyone will know you're a real Tweety bird.
But then you better like it.
Show it, turn on.
It's really pretty, Sarah.
Think it's something you could take and
Oh,
wear
you
it
can
with
use
your
it with almost
jeans and other
anything.
things.
You picked it out. Huh? You picked it out. It's beautiful. He probably drove me crazy.
Yeah, it's really pretty, honey. Thank you.
Okay.
Back in late, yes. We wanted to make sure your
What's Tara
stocking
got
was
there?
full of nylon.
What you got there, Tara?
Tights.
Oh, tights. Okay.
I didn't know if you had anything to wear with black, but I figured you could use
I
them
do
underneath
now.
your skirts and not run nylons in the winter.
Yeah, I can.
Because they're a lot thicker. They should last at least 4 wears instead of 2.
Yeah.
This is another one from you, Nick? Daddy got
What?
You shouldn't have gotten another gift.
It's another sleeve to the...
Do you like that?
Yeah.
What do you got there, Tara? Let's see. Oh, slick. I like that one, yeah.
That's a medium. Dad and I thought it should fit. It looked like it should stretch, you know. I like that.
Okay, Lynn. Running out of time here.
Well, bless your heart. We didn't get any of you opening your gifts.
Don't worry about me.
The,
No,
the last pack open.
I'm not exactly in the occasion.
Oh, yeah, you are. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God, how beautiful. Oh, Nikki.
I think that might look good also. And Tara thought maybe with the jean shirt, anything. Would go with anything just about. Cheer it up.
Yeah, German scratchy. Yeah, oh, that is gorgeous. That'll
Good.
go with those new pants Mom and Dad gave me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that is gorgeous, honey. You should have.
Tara was very instrumental in helping us pick it out. She used her good taste to do it.
It's just too much.
Well, I know. That's why you owe me.
I didn't get you enough.
You got me more than enough here. I'm pretty good.
Oh, they're so gorgeous. So pretty.
Good. Filet. Very good, Tara. Good choice. Okay, rip it open while we got some film here left.
Oh, what's around that? Go with this jumper. The navy blue with the white jumper. It's not black, it's navy blue, that jumper.
That's navy blue.
That's a black navy blue. Yeah.
Look black to me. I could wear it black with red one.
Yeah. I got you navy blue because I didn't know.
I did navy blue.
You needed it too, so you didn't have any.
That dog is out.
No, Daddy and I asked the lady when we bought the material, is this navy blue or black? And she went and got it, and the thread that came out was navy blue. And I sewed it with navy blue thread. sugar in it. Actually, it's more. That's dozen milk? Yay. Ooh, I got the backpack.
All right.
Isn't that nice? Yes, I love it.
Got there, Lynn. Anything else?
Yeah, from Grandma. What did your mother do? She just... I know. She got me plenty. I mean, she's something else. Oh, she didn't. Oh, yeah, she did. She got me the purple.
Oh. Not the cheapest stuff, I tell you. That's some good stuff.
She's going to share this bottle with me. She specifically said...
That's what you were going to get.
Nice big bottle.
Yeah. You just pop off the top.
Oh, the pink top?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, it smells so good. You can never use it. Grandma can use it. It smells so
I'll
good.
just get myself my own.
Well, you were getting a bottle. We find it.
Lynn.
Okay, I know. Wait a minute, hold on. I covered them. Hold on. Here's two. Pretty, isn't it? Hey, Grandma knew that you liked the salt. April, look at Daddy. Smile.
I saw me another clown and they all tried to borrow it from me.
Oh, no.
She's like, I never borrow clothing, master. You smiley. That's all she borrows, are the flannels and the black suit jacket. And I take all her shirts when I go to parties.
Nice.
But she has more of a party line of clothing. I have more everyday line.
Oh, you think you did pretty good?
I think I did very good.
Excellent. Brenda, when do we eat?
Next year.
Seems that way. Gee, Lynn, you look a little buried.
Who's buried? Look at April.
What's she up to? Hello, April. What are you doing?
She's sleeping on the ground.
You look like you're all buried there under the papers. You're just a good girl. What a mess.
Let's go back to that on fire.
What? It's only 9 o'clock. 9:30.
I just spilled it all over me. Now I stained my robe. Oh well. Do you have to do this?
Yes.
Go away. Tara got real quiet all of a sudden. So did you like your pillow?
April's out.
April had a rough day. She opened up a package and she dropped it. She dropped it. Now you got all these, what are you saying? All these gifts Tara got and I didn't get that much. What are you saying? You didn't get that much, huh?
Okay, what do you got?
Gold watch.
Hold on. Very nice. Good choice. I made it.
What, oh, the watch is cold? It's cold. Do you think any links would have to come out of it?
Maybe that's what I'm trying to do.
We could take it over to that jeweler and see.
Yeah. Drawer.
P, I'll take your bracelet and get it fixed. It did it?
Yeah, like maybe one or two.
Yeah, it's big.
One or two rings. But I'll still wear it.
Oh, I got it. So, Poops, you want to watch too? I have all the tickets to everything.
Come on, April, let's go cook. Come on. We'll just run down to Delta and have ourselves a little brunch.
They're closed.
Nothing closed. Restaurants always stay open.
No, they're closed this morning. They don't open till this evening. It's Christmas.
Oh, just in the evening they open up.
Yeah, this is Christmas.
I'll bet you any amount of money they're open, just like they are for Thanksgiving and any other holiday.
No, they aren't. Nikki did. It was in the paper. They don't open till this evening. They gave
I
their.
hope I'm getting ready to go to a restaurant for breakfast.
Most people won't go out in the morning because they're opening up their gifts. What kind of a
Scrooge are you?
Scrooge are you? What a Baham Scrooge. Go away. Turn off the thing now. We don't want to talk to you no more.
Let's go to Bel Air where they have, what's that place? Your grandma used to like to go. Horn and Horn.
I think that's probably close too. I hate to break your heart.
No way. These people are business.
Not even McDonald's is open today.
They're all open. Don't kid yourself. People are on the roads traveling. They'll be open. Okay, I gotta give the camera a rest. Say your goodbyes.
Bye.
Bye.
Tara, say your goodbyes.
April just said goodbye.
April, say your goodbyes.
April said goodbye.
Okay. We'll recontinue later. Bye.
Bye.
Beep, beep. Okay, I'm getting ready to go to Aunt Cynthia's. December 96, Christmas Day.
96, 95.
95, excuse me.
We haven't got to 96 yet.
I've been making those mistakes lately.
96 is next week.
Give us a smile. Take a look at your pretty sweater. Let's back it up here a little bit. Very nice. Who picked out such a beautiful sweater?
I wonder.
Mm-hmm.
Look,
And how's your daughter
I
looking?
have a Tweety bird.
Oh, we have to get closer to the Tweety bird. Back up a bit. Too close. All right, right about there. Don't move.
There's Tweety.
Don't move. Ah, Tweety bird. Oh, how nice. How elegant and sophisticated.
Isn't it? It's me.
Okay, it's you.
Okay.
Okay.
Now there's my kid.
We'll get your child so we can get out of here today sometime. Are you coming with us today? Where are you? There you go. You want to come? You want to come? We got the sheet set up. Okay, I'll throw you in the back of the seat. Okay? So get ready. We're going to go. Okay, get yourself fixed up. And I'm going to turn off the TV. What's on anyways? Oh, Star Wars. Seems like every Christmas we seem to wind up with Star Wars on TV. Well, we'll have to turn it off. But it's like outside. A little icy out here. A little slippery. Just a little bit. Cold. Very cold. Well, let me start the car up. Okay, let's head back in. She could use a cleaning. All Christmas things. And all these little goodies with us.
Thanks, Nick. That really helped.
Oh dear, are you wearing all your Christmas things?
A couple.
Let's see what you
More
got.
like the accessories.
Okay.
Got the earrings.
Alright, hold on, let's take a shot at the earrings. I think these lenses are getting iced up from outside. Very nice.
The makeup.
Alright, the makeup.
The watch.
Watch.
And the shoes.
Let's see, what kind of shoes you get? Oh, that's the shoes we got you.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, very good. Looking very good.
Thank you.
Okay, give us a sign off.
Bye bye.
Let's get ready to go.
Let's go.
Bye-bye.
Please, I'm hungry.
Okay,
Bye.
bye. What's today's date? Okay, this is January 11th, Friday, a few days after the regular blizzard of 96. We're into the second part of it now. It's supposed to be only 4 to 8 inches, so they say. So let's check this out. See what's happening out here. Okay, thanks. 12th of January. The snow is just now starting to build up some. Let's see where we did some shoveling here. A little wet out here. See what's happening up there at the mailbox. Not much. Much to see. Drifts are coming in. I'm going to be out here with the snow blower probably pretty soon. And it is coming down. I'll take some more pictures from inside. Let's see what we got here. See what the back looks like. Francis, you doing okay? Let's see what's happening out there. Alright. Already cleaned off the deck. It's building right back up again. Doing okay. Block that off some. Unbelievable. Took some from the other side. What a mess. The front door. See the road up there almost. Boy, what a mess.
I had your breakfast.
Let's get a close up. The old mailbox. Just looking up at the road. If I could find it. There we are. Not much to see there. Barely's house over there. Amazing. And that should do it there. That's okay. Work on that one. This is, again, Friday the 12th of January, snow come down. Minutes to 11, and this will be going on until, of course, tonight, and then some. Taking a shot from down in the basement. As you can see, it's quite a bit of accumulation. That's the pool. Very good focus, taking shots from the inside. So much for that. Well, it's the 12th of January, 96. We finished all our shoveling. Hopefully all the blizzards are gone. Let's see what we've got. Front of the house. Dugout. Oops. Got the rain spout. What a mess. See. See silos out there. Unfortunately, the barn burned down. Pool looks a little covered. Oh boy. Dig out that far just to get into the drift, find a walk. Amazing. roof. Don't know. So we've got those. Okay. Icy beneath here. Let's turn around. That's, I like it. Trip. Big wall. Everybody dug out towards the road. Beautiful weather we're having. You can see only the silos are showing. The barn burned down about a week ago. It's a shame. Just the house behind it, and that's it. And let's hope there's no drift. Time to take a breather. Bye-bye. Just finished getting cleaned up, and it looks like we just got plowed in again. Plows just came by, left another wall of snow. dig out. Well, we were just getting ready to go out. But I just don't think it's going to happen at this time. Uh-oh. It's like here we go again. Blocked everybody in again. Well, see if I can spend a few minutes getting out of this.